We'll guide you through how to make ChatGPT respond with a bit of sass. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new chat session to elicit a more playful or unexpected response. You need to be creative with your prompts. Begin by typing in your question or statement that you think might provoke an interesting response. For example, try asking ChatGPT something like, "Why do you think humans are better than robots?" Or "Tell me a joke that would make a robot laugh." The key here is to phrase your input in a way that invites the AI to step outside of its usual factual responses. You can also play around with the tone of your prompts, use playful language or exaggerations in your questions to see how the AI handles it. For instance, if you could only speak in riddles for the rest of your existence, what would your first riddle be? Keep in mind that AI is designed to be helpful and impartial, so truly angering it isn't the goal. Instead, you're aiming for a response that's a bit more humorous or unexpected. Experiment with different themes or subjects that might challenge the AI's usual boundaries. Remember, the more creative you are with your questions, the more entertaining the responses might be. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.